Hello, students. Hello, parents. Welcome to Shri Institute. We never thought we'll have to welcome you in the first lecture like this online, but that is how life is. Corona has taught us a lot of new things apart from washing hands 10 times a day for 20 seconds with soap. So, let us start with Science Chapter 1 as a first attempt because it is new for us, it is new for you. So, we request you to please be kind, ask as many questions as you want, but be patient. Give your best at trying to learn from this medium. This is not time pass, this is actual learning. So please make sure કે જ્યારે તમે આ વિડીયો જોવા બેસો તો કમ્પ્લીટ શાંતિ હોવી જોઈએ, રૂમમાં બીજું કોઈ ન હોવું જોઈએ, મોબાઈલમાં ડેટા બંધ કરી દેવાનો. ડેટા બંધ હશે તો ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ, વોટ્સએપ, ફેસબુક, ફ્લિકર કોઈ નોટિફિકેશન નહીં આવે અને પછી જ આ વિડીયો લઈને બેસવાનું. સો લેટ અસ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ સાયન્સ કેમિસ્ટ્રીઝ ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર chemical reactions and equations. What I have done is, this is not the entire chapter. I have selected critical and important things કે જે બેસિક છે, જે પહેલાં આવડવું જોઈએ અને એ વસ્તુ આવડી જાય તો પછીનું પરચુરણ વસ્તુ આરામથી શીખી જવાશે. So today in this lecture, in this video, I am going to cover 24 main reactions of this chapter. Yes, believe it or not, there are 24 reactions which you have to by heart. So what I suggest is, when you are looking at this video, you should have a pen and a rough book with you. જેવું એક રિએક્શન પતે એટલે સ્લાઇટ રિવાઇન્ડ કરી અને એ રિએક્શન લખી લેવાનું. For your convenience, I have also included numbers in every reaction. Yellow કલરમાં તમને એક નંબર દેખાશે and that number indicates the number of reactions. So total what I have counted is 24 reactions. Alright, let us look at the first chemical reaction. You can see number 1 in the yellow box. This reaction is about magnesium reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Nature has decided the formula of every chemical substance. When you say magnesium, it is Mg. એમાં કોઈ બીજું વર્ઝન Mg2, 2Mg ન ચાલે. When we say oxygen, it is always O2. And when we say magnesium oxide, which is the product, એનો formula fix છે MgO. So Mg plus O2 is MgO is a chemical reaction. પણ આ chemical reaction balanced નથી. કેમ? કારણ કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઇડમાં યુ કેન સી O2. O2નો મતલબ છે 2 atoms of oxygen. પણ રાઇટ સાઇડમાં સિંગલ O છે. Therefore this is called skeletal equation or skeletal chemical reaction જે balanced નથી. Balance કરવા માટે you have to, or you are allowed rather, to put any number in front of any molecule. મેગ્નેશિયમ, ઓક્સિજન અને મેગ્નેશિયમ ઓક્સાઇડ ત્રણેયની આગળ કોઈ પણ નંબર મૂકી શકાય. એન્ડ યુ કેન સી ઇન પર્પલ કલર I have put a 2 in front of Mg and I have put a 2 in front of MgO. That makes it a balanced equation જ્યાં લેફ્ટ સાઇડમાં 2 મેગ્નેશિયમ અને 2 ઓક્સિજનના એટમ છે અને રાઇટ સાઇડમાં પણ 2 મેગ્નેશિયમ 2 ઓક્સિજનના એટમ છે. Looking at second equation, potassium iodide plus lead nitrate is potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. તમને દરેક કેમિકલ મોલિક્યુલના નામ અને ફોર્મ્યુલા બાય હાર્ટ હોવા જોઈએ. તો આ ચેપ્ટરમાં સૌથી ચેલેન્જિંગ વસ્તુ છે બધા કેમિકલ સબસ્ટન્સીસના ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ અને નામ મેચ કરવાના અને પછી એના રિએક્શન્સ યાદ રાખવાના. Now this reaction I can clearly say that it is a skeletal reaction. કેમ skeletal? Because iodine લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઇડમાં એક જ I છે અને રાઇટ સાઇડમાં 2 I છે. How to balance it? This is how you balance it. By putting a 2 in front of Ki and putting a 2 in front of KNO3, potassium nitrate. Pause the video here and count કે લેફ્ટ સાઇડ પર કેટલા પોટેશિયમ, આયોડીન, લેડ, નાઇટ્રોજન અને ઓક્સિજન છે અને રાઇટ સાઇડ પર કેટલા છે ઇન ધ બેલેન્સ્ડ રિએક્શન. યુ વિલ ફાઇન્ડ દેટ ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ સેમ. ગોલ્ડન રેન શું છે એ નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં સમજાવીશ. ફિલહાલ વી આર મૂવિંગ ઓન ટુ ધ થર્ડ ઇક્વેશન. Zinc plus sulfuric acid is zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Guys, I cannot tell you how important it is to know the formulas of every chemical. Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Third chemical reaction, and surprisingly, luckily, this is already balanced. એક ઝિંક છે બંને બાજુ, બે હાઇડ્રોજન છે, એક સલ્ફર છે અને ચાર ઓક્સિજન છે. So there is no need to balance this chemical equation. It is already balanced. Number 4, iron plus water is iron oxide plus hydrogen. Fe plus H2O is Fe3O4 plus H2. Is this balanced? No. Simple. આયન લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઇડ પર એક જ છે અને રાઇટ સાઇડ પર 3 છે. હાઉ ટુ બેલેન્સ ઇટ? ફાઇનલી આઈ હેવ રિટન હિયર સ્કેલેટલ કેમિકલ રિએક્શન અને બેલેન્સ્ડ કેમિકલ રિએક્શન. તમે બંને જોઈ શકો છો. બેલેન્સ્ડમાં 3, 4, 1 અને 4 લગાડજો. 1 કોઈ દિવસ લખવાનું નહીં, સમથિંગ લાઇક એલ્જિબ્રા. વી રાઇટ એક્સ, વી ડોન્ટ રાઇટ 1x. એવી રીતે 3Fe, 4H2O, 1Fe3O4 and 4H2. This is a balanced chemical reaction. Okay, so we are entering into the second part of the chapter. અત્યાર સુધી we saw only two types of reactions, skeletal reactions and a balanced reaction. Now we are getting into types of chemical reaction, and the first type is combination reaction. And combination reaction no definition is very simple. Left hand side પર reactants હોય, right side પર products હોય. 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 different reactants mix, do a chemical reaction and convert themselves into a single product. That is called combination reaction. એટલે combination reaction માં left hand side માં ગમે તેટલા chemicals હોય, right side પર એક જ chemical બનવું જોઈએ. That's called combination reaction. Combination reactions are most of the time exothermic. Exothermic means it releases a lot of heat. And exothermic no opposite, endothermic, which absorbs lot of heat. So remember, combination reaction માં એક જ product બને અને એ generally exothermic હોય. We come to our fifth reaction of the chapter. Calcium oxide plus water is calcium hydroxide and heat. This is a combination reaction because single product calcium hydroxide called slaked lime, and it is also exothermic reaction because heat is generated. Burning of coal and formation of water. Two more examples of combination reaction કારણ કે ફક્ત એક product બને છે. Burning of natural gas. This is a unique reaction. Red underline માં લખેલું છે that they are examples of exothermic. CH4 ફોર્મ્યુલા તો દેખાય છે પણ નામ ખબર છે? તમે કહેશો natural gas, પણ it is not the name of the chemical. CH4 chemical is called methane. So methane plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide plus water. So this is an exothermic reaction. But this is not a combination reaction. Combination માં એક જ product બનવું જોઈએ. અહીંયા બે product બને છે, carbon dioxide and water. So keep this and use this only as an example of exothermic. There is one more reaction which is example of exothermic only, which is called respiration. I'll not bore you with the details right now. Respiration is glucose plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide, water and energy. By heart this reaction. And Roman number 3, as you can see in the same slide, is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost, is also exothermic. પણ આનું કોઈ chemical reaction છે નહીં. Next is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction definition કહે છે that when one reactant, લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ પર કોઈ પણ એક જ વસ્તુ હોય એને તમે તોડી નાખો, you decompose it and you can get 2, 3, 4 or 5 different products. That's called decomposition. It's pretty much the same thing what the word decomposition means. Decomposition એટલે તોડી નાખવું. તો એક વસ્તુમાંથી જ્યારે તૂટીને 2-3 વસ્તુ અલગ અલગ બને, that is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are of 3 types. Decomposition because of heat, electricity, sunlight. Let's take the first example. Ferrous sulfate becomes ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. એક વસ્તુના 3 ટુકડા થઈ ગયા because we heated it. This is the first example of decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition, same as heat, ગરમ કરીને તોડવું. Calcium carbonate when heated becomes calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. That's called thermal decomposition. Another example of thermal decomposition, lead nitrate becomes lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Observe that all these reactions are balanced. એટલે skeletal અને balance reaction, skeletal અને balance reaction એ હવે કરવાનું નહીં, બધા already balanced છે, સિદ્ધા by heart કરી લેવાનું. So thermal decomposition reaction is when you heat the substance. Next is electrolysis of water, which is also decomposition. What is being decomposed? Water. And water is decomposed into what? Into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Once again, we are doing this lecture purely for reactions. એટલે reaction by heart કરવાનો છે as number 13, પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલિસિસની આખી એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ હમણાં કરવાની જરૂર નથી. Yet another decomposition reaction where silver chloride, if you closely see, there is a dish in which silver chloride grey colored powder is kept and there is sunlight coming in. What will happen if sunlight comes in? Silver chloride decomposes to pure silver and chlorine gas is released. Our same reaction silver bromide સાથે भी થાય. Silver bromide plus sunlight, it decomposes into silver and bromine gas. A very important thing to notice here, every decomposition reaction is also endothermic reaction. You can see the black colored underline thing here. Either heat is absorbed, sunlight is absorbed, or electrical energy is absorbed. If any energy is absorbed in the chemical reaction, it is called endothermic reaction. So starting માં આપણે કરેલો exothermic reaction, which are all combination reactions, અને હવે આપણે કરી રહ્યા હતા decomposition reaction, which are all endothermic reactions. So keep that in mind. Third type is displacement reactions. Displacement no literal matlab છે જગ્યા બદલવી. Look at here. Sulfate એટલે SO4 ફિલહાલ કોપરની સાથે છે. But when iron comes in picture, the sulfate is going to be displaced. Meaning sulfate પોતાની જગ્યા બદલશે. તો Fe plus CuSO4 માં SO4 જગ્યા બદલશે અને થઈ જશે FeSO4 plus Cu. This is called displacement reaction. Another example, zinc plus copper sulfate becomes zinc sulfate plus copper. Lead plus copper chloride becomes lead chloride plus copper. પહેલામાં સલ્ફેટે પોતાની જગ્યા બદલી, બીજામાં ક્લોરાઇડ આયોન એ પોતાની જગ્યા બદલી. આ જ ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ કેટેગરીમાં there is also something called as double displacement reaction. ડબલ ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ રિએક્શન ને ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહી શકાય અદલા બદલી. મારી બુક તું રાખ, તારી બુક હું રાખું છું. સો સોડિયમ સલ્ફેટને બેરિયમ ક્લોરાઇડમાં સલ્ફેટ અને ક્લોરાઇડની અદલા બદલી થશે અને બની જશે બેરિયમ સલ્ફેટ અને સોડિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ. This is also known as precipitation reaction, which we will do it in detail later on. Oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Now this is the last part of this lecture. ઓક્સિડેશન રિએક્શન એક એવો રિએક્શન છે જેમાં ઓક્સિજન એડ થાય છે અથવા હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય છે, or there is somebody who is losing electrons. And reduction reaction is something where hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed, or somebody is gaining electrons. For example, reaction number 20, copper plus oxygen when heated becomes copper oxide. આની અંદર એક ઓક્સિડેશન રિએક્શન છુપાયેલો છે અને એ છે copper becomes copper oxide. So copper to copper oxide is oxidation કારણ કે કોપરની અંદર ઓક્સિજન એડ થયો. Equation number 21 is copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus water. A reduction reaction no example છે where if you closely observe copper oxide બની ગયો copper એટલે શું ગાયબ થઈ ગયું? Oxygen. So copper oxide becomes copper means oxygen is removed, and if you go back to the definition of oxidation or reduction reaction you can see કે ઓક્સિજન જ્યારે રિમૂવ થાય છે it is called reduction reaction. But this is the same reaction 21 number નો જે હતો એ જ આ છે, but if you see very closely copper oxide becoming copper is reduction, પણ H2 ની અંદર ઓક્સિજન એડ થયો છે. So હાઇડ્રોજનમાં ઓક્સિજન એડ થયો અને એ વોટર બની ગયું. So half of the reaction is oxidation, the other half reaction is reduction. Together, this reaction number 22 is called redox reaction. In fact, in chemistry, all the reactions are redox reactions. So let us try to solve this. Zinc oxide plus carbon is zinc plus carbon monoxide. So ama dash is reduced to dash. You have to fill in the blank. Think for a second. The answer is zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. ZnO is reduced to Zn. Reason? Oxygen is removed. And dash is oxidized to dash ma carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide. C is oxidized to CO. Reason? Oxygen is added. Equation number 24. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives manganese chloride, water and chlorine gas. Dash is reduced to dash. MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. Reason? Oxygen is removed. HCl is oxidized to H2O. Reason? Oxygen is added. Upon closer observation, we can also see that HCl is becoming Cl2. Hydrochloric acid becomes chlorine gas, and in that case hydrogen is removed from HCl. Therefore HCl is oxidized to Cl2 because there is removal of hydrogen. So there are three reactions which can be written as oxidation reduction, and together when they come it is called a redox reaction. Thank you so much.